Hello, let's look today to energy transparency in 3 straightforward steps: problems, solutions and advantages. You will see them in 3 separate videos, so you can take a tea or coffee pause in between. First, a word about the reasons I find this subject so important. Reason number 1 is that in many of today's enterprises, even the big ones, energy transparency is absent. That makes it very difficult to tackle the problem of energy efficiency. Reason number 2 is that I developed a simple system to bring you energy transparency and registered to have a patent therefore. You don't believe it, but I didn't find until today such a system for enterprises on the market, so I had to develop it myself. Now let's start with step number 1, the problems. Today many industries and other enterprises, even the large ones, have only one entry point for the energy going into the factory where they measure it. They do it maybe still with an electromechanical meter, which gives one value per month to the user, and they can see it on the bill once per month. Today there are also smart meters, and they give one value every 50 minutes, so that's nearly 3000 values per month. And if you are lucky, you can go to the website of your energy supplier and download these values, so then you have the curve instead of only one value. But in the old or in the new way, you just have the knowledge how much energy is going to the whole factory, and you don't know about the different subflows into the factory. So that is a problem, because you cannot imagine, not even your wildest fantasies, where this energy is going. But one thing is true: you pay every kilowatt hour, and that has nothing to do with energy transparency. Now you can say, okay, that's not a problem, because till now we just did fine. Well, you may think that, but I think it is a serious problem. It's the same situation as in the financial department, where they would certainly not accept a similar situation. Look, for example, Filippo. He is the chief financial officer or CFO of this factory, and he certainly will not be satisfied if he knows only the total revenue of the enterprise. And why not? If he wants to put order in the financial, he goes to the financial statement and he sees many sub-items under this value of the revenue. He can study these sub-items and understand where all the revenue is flowing to. If there's a problem, Filippo knows where he has to start looking for a solution. So that is a situation which we want to emulate with energy management. Look now to Jim, the energy manager of the same factory. He knows only the global consumption. He doesn't know where this energy is going after the main meter. So he doesn't know where to start when he wants to save energy.